This is how to make your TikTok account or profile private completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Once it's opened up and loaded on your smartphone device, go to the bottom right hand screen and click Profile. Now go to the top right hand screen and click the three icon right here. And scroll down until you see the fourth options, Settings and Privacy. Once access, click Privacy, and then scroll down, and then scroll back up, and then click the first option underneath Discovered Ability, Private Account, which basically says with the private account, only users you approve can follow and watch your videos. Click this option right here. It'll basically go from color gray to color blue. Now when you click back, you can scroll down on your account, and as you can see, it says your TikTok account is successfully a private account.